So I found this old slime in my room. I took it out of the bag, and it was really sticky. It was like glue. Watch me struggle. More and more struggling. Getting more slime out of the bags so I can activate it. I struggled with that too. Okay, Emma, activated now, Law. Okay, that's much better. I activated her, but she still feels incomplete. Oh, probs, 'cause she kinda basic. Now let's take her on a ride. Wee. Okay, she back, but this time she is sorted into 7 different glass containers. I did this because I did not know what design to pick, so I chose all of them. Each day, this week a different idea. So I kinda did today's off camera, so I'll just tell you what I did. It was pink foam balls and rainbow beads. The next few seconds is ASMR.